Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean, this is Susan, and today we're basically going to continue on with making the bed. So the last episode we went ahead and made the sides themselves. So I was going to put those on along with the stake sides that I have made, which are over on the other side of Susan. But as I was looking at it, I need to basically make the rear valance, which will go right across the back, and the back of the bed here as well. The reason I want to do that is because I'm going to have to put everything together. I want to make sure everything fits and I don't have to recut or refabricate or modify once it's totally installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these pieces, fit everything together with the stake sides, and then once that's all done, decided on how everything was going to fit, I will go ahead and make those pieces as well, or basically weld the pieces in permanently and see how it goes. So this piece right here is basically left over from making the sides. So I had an extra piece that I had trimmed off. This is going to be the rear valance, like I said, and then I'll have to fabricate a new piece across the back of the bed. So I'll go ahead and cut to that, time lapse, figuring out the measurements, cutting it, bending it, and fabricating it. Now it is going to have a rolled edge just like this right here. Here's the template for it. I already made it. Again, it's a leftover piece from that right there. So I didn't spend any extra money buying a whole new piece for just a sliver. This is about how big it's going to be anyways. Again, I don't want to spend a whole lot of money making it. I do want to make it all myself, and time to learn. So I'll be right back after I fabricate everything. I'll time lapse through it. Bye. Okay, so here we go. We have basically the rear valance right here. It's all bent on the bottom. The brakes are on the top and the sides. So this will all get spot welded on the top and the sides, and then the side sheet metal will be put on, and then obviously the stake that's right there. That right there is basically the back of the bed, or the forward side of the bed, and there's going to be a piece of metal like this all the way across the back of it. Give it some rigidity, also tie the top of the stakes in. The back will actually have a tailgate as well. Basically a fully functional, very, very shallow bed. So now that these are made, test fitted, they look good, I have to figure out the combination of how I'm going to put everything together with the sides, the back, or the rear valance, the forward side of the bed, and all the stakes and everything like that. And at that point, once the test fitting is all done and I find a good way of making sure everything's fitted and trimmed out exactly the way they need to be, I will basically start tack welding everything in and make sure everything's good, and that'll be the next video. So thank you for watching, hope you like it, hope subscribe, and can't wait till this side's done, or this bed's done. That way at least it'll look like a functional truck. So again, hope to see you next video. Bye.